Students, today we shall do Unit 11, Lesson 3, I've Got My Sister's Kidney, Part 1, 2, 3, 5, dictation page 56, and words and tenses. Now come to the reading, Unit 11, Lesson 3, this is page 56, I've Got My Sister's Kidney, this is page 56 and it means मैंने अपनी सिस्टर की किडनी ले ली है. रीड द न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन. आर्टिकल मीन अ पीस ऑफ राइटिंग इन न्यूज़पेपर. So students, this lesson has been taken from an article. What is article? You can see here, this is article. You can see here topic is written at the top of the article, and under this topic there is an article. Now come to the question, how many people recovered after their operations? Recovered mean get well. 2 people recovered after their operation, Parveen and her sister Zainab. Now come to the reading. Before starting this reading, I shall tell you that we have read the lesson 1. In lesson 1 we have read that Parveen was ill and she was admitted in hospital. She was going to have an operation and she was going to take a kidney from her sister Zainab. And in this unit we shall read that she has taken kidney from her sister Zainab and her operation is very successful. And how does she feel about her operation? 10-year-old Parveen was sitting in her hospital room today and smiling, so she is happy. Her mother explained. Explained mean made clear. The doctors are very pleased with my daughter's recovery. Pleased mean happy. They think they can leave the hospital next week. So the doctors were happy because the operation was successful. Doctors at the kidney center in Karachi performed a kidney transplant operation to save Parveen's life. So at the transplant means to put the organ into the body. So in Karachi at kidney center, doctor did a successful operation. What is transplant? In kidney transplant operation, kidney is put into the body of patient from another person. I have told you what is the function of kidney. The function of kidney is to take waste from the body and to purify the blood. And where are kidneys located? You can see here under the ribs kidneys are located. Now come to next. Dr. Wahid told a reporter, a person who reports, we have done many successful transplant operations and this was one of the easier. So this was the easy. Parveen's story began about 18 months ago when she started to feel ill. She often felt weak and had to miss lessons at school. So परवीन जो है वो 18 मंथ्स पहले बीमार होना शुरू हुई और द डॉक्टर्स फाइनली डिस्कवर्ड दैट परवीन हैड अ रेयर किडनी डिजीज. डिस्कवर्ड मीन रिवील्ड एंड रेयर मीन अनकॉमन एंड नीडेड अ किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट. So they came to know that she was suffering from a kidney disease and she needed a transplant operation. Her identical twin Zainab offered to give one of her healthy kidneys to her sick sister. Sick mean ill and identical mean same. Some twins, sisters and brothers are same in their looks. They have same faces, they have same appearances. कुछ ट्विंस जो होते हैं वो बिल्कुल सेम होते हैं देखने में. Parveen told our reporter, I had my operation on 5th January in Theatre 1 and Zainab had hers in Theatre 2 next door. Theatre mean a room for operation. So both sisters have operations. So through operation doctors take kidney from Zainab and through operation doctor transplants kidney into Parveen's body. I was very drowsy when I woke up. Drowsy means feeling sleepy, but I was not in pain. The nurses were very kind. There were lots of wires coming out of my body. So these were wires that were attached to her body and they were coming from the machinery. आपको पता है बहुत सी मशीनरी होती हैं हॉस्पिटल में जहाँ पे पेशेंट होते हैं लेटा हुआ, तो वो मशीनरी उसकी बॉडी से कनेक्टेड होती हैं वायर्स के थ्रू, कुछ हार्ट बीट चेक करने की, कुछ और तरह की. इट वॉज अ बिट फ्राइटनिंग एट फर्स्ट. Bit frightening means feeling fear. She was feeling fear. My parents couldn't visit me for the first week, but they could see me through the window. They held up messages so they can see her through window. They uses messages. Held mean uses messages like you are doing well. Doing well mean that you are getting well. You are getting recovered. My sister Zainab has been wonderful. Wonderful mean very good. She saved my life. Dr. Wahid said that Zainab has also made a complete recovery. Get well again. Recovery mean from her operation, but she mustn't play sports or swim for another 2 months, he said. So she cannot play sports for another 2 months. ट्रांसप्लांट a transplant between identical twin brothers or sister is the most successful. अगर दो जुड़वा बहन भाई को दरमियान हो ना तो वो बहुत सक्सेसफुल होता है ऑपरेशन. जोहाना रेम्पल फ्रॉम कैनेडा रिसीव्ड अ किडनी फ्रॉम हर आइडेंटिकल ट्विन सिस्टर इन 1960 when she was 12 years old. Today both sisters are in excellent health. Excellent mean very good and have healthy children. So in 1960 she got a kidney from her identical twin sister. Who got the kidney? Johanna Rempel, and now she is living a healthy life. The future is looking good for Parveen and her twin sister Zainab. The future of Parveen and her sister is also very good. Now come to the part 2. Put the sentences in the correct order. These are not in correct order, we shall put them in the correct order. On number 1 there comes C. Johanna Rempel's operation took place in Canada in 1960. Students should know this line comes at the end of the reading, but here it will come on number 1 because of the year 1960. On number 2 comes D. Parveen began to feel ill 18 months ago. आपको पता है हम जब स्टार्ट हुई स्टोरी तो हमें बताया गया कि वो 18 मंथ्स अगो बीमार होना शुरू हुई. और नंबर 3 कम्स द डॉक्टर्स डिस्कवर्ड Parveen had a rare kidney disease. So doctors revealed that she had a kidney disease. On number 4 and Parveen needed a kidney transplant. On number 5 comes this line, number E. Parveen's twin sister Zainab gave one of her kidneys to save Parveen's life. 2 lines comes on number 5. Number A will also come on number 5. Parveen's transplant operation took place on 5th January at the kidney center. So the day when Zainab was going to give her kidney to her sister Parveen, doctor did their operations. Now come to the part 3, page 57. Answer these questions. How long was Parveen ill before her operation? She was ill for about 18 months before her operation. Did the doctors discover immediately what was wrong with her? No, they did not discover immediately what was wrong with her. Was Parveen worried all the time she was in hospital? No, she was not worried, but it was a bit frightening at first. Worried mean परेशान, यानी वो परेशान नहीं थी, थोड़ा सा डरी हुई थी. How did her parents send messages to Parveen after the operation? They held up messages that Parveen could read through the window. At present, can Zainab do anything she likes? No, she can't play sports or swim for another 2 months. 2 months के लिए वो कुछ नहीं कर सकती. How many years ago did Johanna Rempel have her operation? Johanna Rempel had her operation about 16 years ago. Does the writer think that Parveen will have a healthy life? Yes, she will have a healthy life. Now come to more facts about kidney. This is only for your information. The kidneys take waste matter out of the blood. Matter mean wastages जो भी होते हैं वो blood से निकाल कर kidney purifies the blood. A child's kidneys produce about 1 liter of liquid per day. Nobody can live without at least 1 kidney. So human beings can live with 1 kidney. The first kidney transplant was performed in 1902 with animals. The first successful human transplant was performed in 1954 with twins. So students, before doing operations with humans, the scientists or the doctor did experiments on animals. 1902 में पहले एनिमल्स पे एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ ट्रांसप्लांट का, फिर ह्यूमंस पे हुआ जब वो सक्सेसफुल हो गया. इफ़ द न्यू किडनी इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट, द बॉडी विल ट्राई टू फाइट ऑफ द फॉरेन किडनी. इफ़ द किडनी डज नॉट मैच विद द किडनी दैट इज़ ट्रांसप्लांटेड टू द बॉडी, फॉरेन का मतलब यही है कि जो मैच नहीं होती और ट्रांसप्लांट की जाती है तो वो फंक्शन सही नहीं कर पाएगी. द बेस्ट मैच फॉर किडनी transplant is from an identical twin. Now come to the true false. Read the sentences like 2 for true and T for true or F for false. The kidneys take waste from the body and put it in the blood. No, it is false. Kidney purifies the blood. Liquid comes out of a person's kidney, and this is true. People can live with 1 kidney. This is true. Transplant for humans happened before transplant for animals. ऊपर हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि पहले एनिमल्स का हुआ था. इट इज़ बेस्ट टू रिसीव अ किडनी दैट इज़ लाइक योर ओन. येस, द किडनी दैट मैचेज विद योर किडनी, इट इज़ बेस्ट. इट इज़ बेस्ट टू रिसीव अ किडनी फ्रॉम एन ओल्डर ब्रदर और सिस्टर. नो, इट इज़ फॉल्स. फ्रॉम twin sister and brother when kidney is taken, that is good. Okay students, you will do the dictation from page 56. You will do the practice of making word sentences from page 56, and you will do the reading of page 56, and you will do this part 1, 2, 3 and 5. Allah Hafiz.